Alright guys, I wish I had done a unboxing on this Haiboxing 2995 Desert truck, but I got this for my son for Christmas because he was really wanting a fast buggy. Even though we normally use the crawlers, but you know the temptation for a kid to have a fast buggy is very, very strong. So I went ahead and got him this, which is a brushed vehicle. Just remove the body clips here. Very, very sturdy, very good quality, and it was only $109 on Amazon. LED lights, brush motor with a heatsink, oil-filled suspension. I ran this thing, and it's really a wonderful vehicle, very fast, and you can also tune it down. Tune the speed down on the controller if it's too fast for you or your son if you're new to the hobby. And when you first get these, remember there's always a plastic film that you have to take off on these. It looks like your vehicle's scratched, but it's just a plastic protective film for shipping. And this will also come with stickers, so once you remove the plastic film, then you place your stickers where you want them. Here's the box that it came in. The 2995 is a 1/12 size buggy. The vehicle came with two LiPo batteries, 7.4 volt, 16 milliamp, 30 cells, 11.84 watts. Also came with two USB chargers. If you had a balance charger already, I'd use that instead. Comes with a spare tire and wheel nut, and also some screws, also a wheel nut wrench, a screwdriver, and a few spare wheel nuts, as well as some spare body clips, and the sticker sheet for the vehicle, which I didn't use all of them, just half of them. For size comparison of the 2995 to the AM-D12 Rlaarlo, they're about the exact same length, but the Desert Buggy has a little bit wider stance. And obviously this is brushed and this is brushless. So this is more for me, and this is more for my 7-year-old son as a starter. Definitely if you're choosing between the two for your son or daughter at a young age, I would choose this because the brushless is going to be a lot faster and harder to control for someone at a younger age. Or if somebody is new to the hobby, you go with the brush motor first. I'm going to also do a video on the Rlaarlo AM-D12. Stay tuned for that. But this is a great set for you, for father and son, father and daughter, etc., to use to get your kid into the hobby. They're about the same exact size, and this one will just be a little bit more fun for an experienced adult.